Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be understanding about reduction in EPF contribution for next 3 months with an intention to provide more take-home salary for employees and to give relief to employers in payment of Provident Fund. Finance Minister on May 13, 2020 announced that the EPF contribution would be reduced for businesses and workers for next 3 months. This means the EPF contribution would be 10% each for employees and employers as compared to statutory obligation of 12% as of today. Now let's understand the illustration of the same. The present earnings basic 14,000, HRA 5,600, medical allowance 1,250. So gross total is 20,850. Deductions PT 200. Employee PF contribution at the rate of 12%, 1680. The total gross deductions is 1880. With this, the net pay of the employee per month is 18,970. With the new proposal for next 3 months, let's understand the total net pay. Earnings are same. Deductions part PT will be same. The employee PF contribution at the rate of 10% will be 1,400. So the gross total deductions will be 1,600. With this, the net pay will be 19,250. Now let's understand the increase in the take home. The present total deductions is 1880. With this, the take home is 18,970. The new deductions is 1,600 and take home is 19,250. With this, the saving is 280. So similarly, the employer also will be saving 280 rupees per month in his contribution. With this, total saving for employee and employer is 560 per month. Now the question is, what about employer's contribution of rupees 280? Is the employer liable to pay back this to the employee? This question will rise for many of us. As government worded as give relief to employer, strictly if we go with this, the amount is saving for employers and need not to pay to employees. But remember, in case if the employer included his contribution in the employee's CTC, he is liable to pay back the same to the employee. In case if he is not included, he is not liable to pay this amount to employee. Thank you for watching.